do some work on the Chevy truck, like my gas door. Not much left. I got a lot of crap in here. People always wonder, around Minnesota here, when it's dark outside or overcast, we have an inclement weather law, and you need to turn your headlights on. You can't always rely on your automatic headlights. Flip the doggone things to on so you know when they're on. That's all you got to do. Really ain't much to it. But I've got a headlight out. That one's working. So it's this one that's all crusty looking. But these are really easy to replace on this truck. I also have a daytime running light out, and it's the one over on the other side there. But I got the bulbs for it, so I'll get it fixed. But I'm going to show you how easy this is to change the headlight on. So this is one thing that Chevy did right. My boss recently took apart their Cadillac. He had to pull the inner fender loose and had to take daggone near the whole front end of the car apart just to change a headlight bulb. This one, you lift this, slide it out, which you might say is challenging, just because this is in the way a bit. Turn that and it'll go under it. Just pull that pin out, tip the headlight forward, and lift it right up, just like that. And now you can reach in here and change these bulbs. It's that easy. So I'd say Chevy got it right with that one. I don't remember which one was it. Was it the outer one? Must have been the outer one. Sure looks like it. With these halogens, you don't ever want to touch the bulb itself when you're putting in the new one, because it shortens the lifespan. So I'm going to disconnect this. There's just two tabs here. Pull them out a little bit and wiggle, and it comes right out. Set that there. I want to open the package, and I want the bottom to come open first so that I can grab the bottom of the bulb. And you can always look at it, look at the bottom, has numbers on it, and try to, they should kind of match up to somewhat. Looks about close enough. And then you'll have three tabs on here, two bigger ones and one smaller one. The one small spot, two bigger slots. So just make sure you put it in the right way. Stick it in, give it a turn. Put that back on. Slip your headlight back into place. Run your pin back in. And it's that easy. Well, hopefully you could tell it's working. She's on. The other side over here, that's on too. So that's one down the drain. This daytime running light, for some reason, I don't know if they're supposed to be on or not. The headlight's on. I'm going to shut the headlights off, and I think it's got to be in gear for those to be on. So let me get that. Let me verify that it's that one that's out. Hopefully you can see that. That one is on, and this one is not. It does have to be in gear. This truck, like I said before, was very well taken care of before I got it. I've taken good care of it and fixed things as they needed fixing. So my e-brake works. It's in drive now and running, by the way. I did put an alternator in it recently. And not that the alternator was bad, but it wasn't quite putting out the voltage that it was supposed to. So I replaced it. I've done belts, water pump. I've replaced a lot of stuff on here that needed replacing. So it's all fixed. So the headlight comes out exactly the same as it does on the other side. It's just a pin. I just took it all the way out, left my wires up there. And it's this bulb right here, this connector. And it should be a little tab here. To press that tab and rotate it, and it just comes right out. Just like that. Little wiggle, and the bulb comes out. Very simple, not too hard to do. There it is, I guess. I could verify some numbers on it. 4157K. These are a 4114, but that is what the book said. That could have changed over the years. You never know. I did replace the other side. It was exactly this bulb, the 4114. And I went and I took the other side apart just to verify that it was the same. And that one looks like it was going to blow pretty soon. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace both of them. I don't have any dielectric grease put in here. I wish I did. So this is just going to have to go together without it. There we go. So it slides down in there. It looks like there is a certain way that it has to go in, but it shouldn't be. No. And then you just quite simply reverse the process. And there you go. It's that simple. I'm going to go ahead and just put the headlight back in while I'm at it. Well, there's one headlight. There's the other one. I'm going to set you up here. Switch the headlights off. Sorry for the jerking around, but I don't want you to call me a liar. There's one running light, daytime running light, and there's the other one. There you go. This is a 2003. I think they're the same up until 2004 anyway. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's on. So it's a real simple task, real easy fix. Your turn signals, I know that's kind of clouded up in there. It's got some water in it, which kind of sucks because it's got a seal in there bad. But the turn signal is right next to it. Same process, pull the headlight out, change the turn signal bulb. It's an easy truck to work on, for the most part. There's plenty of room down in the engine bay. I put plugs and wires on this not too long ago. Well, I guess it's been a couple of years now, hasn't it? So, and it wasn't too bad to do. Nothing's been real hard to do on here anyway. Except the back brakes. I not get a wrench to work on that. I got to apologize for the wind because it is windier than dickens out here, and we're supposed to have a thunderstorm later, but I couldn't leave with the way it was. I didn't put any dielectric grease in any of the connections here, and I felt bad because I really needed to. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really simple. I'm just going to tack this onto the end of the headlight video because these are so easy to get out. it's silly not to do it no matter when. For the headlights, really the only place you got is on the connectors, because your bulbs are in there. So we'll just set that aside for now. The other bulbs for the daytime running lights and the turn signal. This is the running light, and I just buy it in these little packets. They're cheap, a couple bucks. I don't have a big tube of this stuff laying around going bad on me, because let's face it, I just don't use it all the time. It is a dielectric grease. Hope you can see that. It is special for electrical components. Just take a little squirt, and you just want to put it right on the contacts. Just like that there. And that will promote your electrical connection. At the same time, it will prevent, you know, like moisture damage and that sort of thing. So I've got that one. These connectors have, cut my finger. I don't know how well you can see it here. There's a little tab here that you got to squeeze in. And these bulbs, the amber is coming off them, so I'll have to get some new bulbs. But I felt bad. I couldn't just leave it at that, saying I was going to do it and not doing it. Showing you all how to do it. For these connectors, all you need to do is get some in the connection. On both of them. And that's really all there is to it. Plug your headlight back in. And for as easy as this truck is to do, it just seems silly not to show that to you. Because it is that easy. We're all back together. And I don't have my keys on me. Everything works. I've done this 1,000 times, it seems. Every car I own, I do it on. So, there you go. It's just a little electrical grease. It's made for electric connections. It is called dielectric connection grease. Just ask for it at your auto parts store. A little packet like this will do a car. Every light on the car. You can use this on spark plug boots. Just about every connection you got, and it's real helpful. Keeps the corrosion out. It helps the connection be a better connection. All right, folks, that's going to be it for this video. Replacing a headlight bulb and a daytime running light bulb. A turn signal bulb is going to be just the same. It's just right next to the daytime running light. So I wanted to keep this video short. Hope I did that. This is a 2003 Chevy Silverado 2500. This is the HD. With that being said, drop a comment down below. Subscribe if you're not already. Stay safe. God bless. I'll catch you in the next video.